Friends, today I'm starting Microsoft Excel course which will have multiple videos starting from introduction and covering all the basic features, then going to medium level, and finally the advanced features. In this video series, I'll be covering all the features of Excel like formulas, functions, VBA and Power BI, VLOOKUP and many other features. This helps people in day-to-day activities. Normally, Excel is used by finance people. That does not mean it's only for the finance. It's also used for data calculations, data mining, summations, and even for scientific calculations, statistical analysis too. Let's see what is Excel. Excel has the basic features of all spreadsheet. Spreadsheet means it is the set of rows and columns which holds the data, whether it is alphabets or numbers or decimals or anything, and helps in doing the summation or any arithmetic activities, financial calculations. This Excel has been created by Microsoft and running since long. There was an application Lotus 123 which was the forefather of this Excel. This Excel in its current format, it runs on all operating systems, be it Windows, be it Mac, be it Linux. It runs irrespective of the operating system. In Excel, there are many functions or formulas available to answer your needs. You want to do the calculation, you want to do the search, you want to do the VLOOKUP, or you want to do filtering, anything you want to do in the spreadsheet, you have the functions or formulas. It can even display many varieties of charts and graphs. You have the data and you want to present it attractive way, so you can use the charts or graphs. It also allows grouping or sectioning of the data. If you have the student data, you can group it subject wise or gender wise or area wise or teacher wise. Anyways, you can group the data or section it. This Excel supports programming also. There is Visual Basic for applications which helps you in automation of the Excel activities, which helps in creating programming. It also helps Power Pivot. This Power Pivot is used in decision support system. In short form, it's called DSS. If you are having large chunk of data, you cannot make out anything from that data. So you can present that data with Power Pivot, where you can use the filters or slicers to analyze the data. Excel is not just a spreadsheet, it also helps to connect to external databases. You can connect to the Microsoft SQL or MySQL or even any CSV files, any other databases which are supported through OLEDB. Excel also provides shortcut keys. There are many shortcut keys which helps or simplifies your work. Instead of going to file and save, you can press Ctrl S, it saves the data. Similarly, if you want to copy, Ctrl C, if you want to paste, Ctrl V, if you want to print, Ctrl P, all these groups of shortcut keys are available as an additional feature in Microsoft Excel. You can also protect your Excel workbook using the password protection. You can share it to someone with the password so that only intended user can open that Excel file. Excel supports linking and embedding objects. You can link any of the images or embed the images. You can insert hyperlinks. You can insert maps or anything. You can even open external file through a link on the Excel. So Excel provides all these features. This is all about Microsoft Excel introduction. So in next video, I'll be covering the basics of Excel, how it looks, how it functions, everything. So if you like this video, please click on the like icon below. And if you think it is interesting, share it with your friends and family. Also, if you want to get the notification, click on subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get all informations on the future videos. Thanks for watching. If you are interested in my other videos, please click on the below link. And if you are not subscribed, please click on this icon to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.